Hey, Fridge. What's inside of you?
We don't know.
But we're about to. So tell us.
We got some
Carrots and ranch dip.
dipping sticks in the carrots.
Oh, tropical punch, Cook Fridge.
Oh, I love you. I love you. I want your autograph.
Wait. Mountain Dew.
OMG, look.
Is it diet?
It's diet, not Dew. Diet, I tell you. What is this? Oh my gosh, it is diet. Sorry, what is this diet? Alright, let's look at the thermometer. OMG, it is on high. Can you believe that? Watch this. Okay, you see the thing right here? It spins. So it can give you a workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you can go to the bigger one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh my gosh, I'm stuck.
Want to see what's on top of the fridge? A hut. A giraffe.
And another giraffe.
With hearts on it. This is a T-shirt. It's this. And look at this. It is
a Black & Decker. OMG, that's like my favorite brand. Peace, Mom.